Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tim from Create-A-Lase, and today we're going to make a wedding guest book. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this laser engraved wedding guest book. It's going to be made from a little craft book like this one here, and we're going to turn it into something pretty cool. So make sure you stay to the end just to see this finished product. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to the Create-A-Lase YouTube channel. This is where we make videos about CorelDraw, Illustrator, Inkscape, Fusion 360, and even sometimes OpenSCAD. For those who like to make this stuff personal or anything that just make files ready for laser engraving, for sublimation, or even 3D printing, this is the perfect channel to watch, because each week what we do is we make some exciting and amazing video content. So always stay tuned. Make sure that you do watch to the end, because sometimes we have some more little things at the end of it just to show you what's coming up next and different things. So keep an eye on that, and maybe even we might even be able to create your personalized stuff, especially if you leave a comment down below, or if you can even make a business out of it. So some of the ideas that we put across, yeah, you might better take that. So make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, click that little bell icon down there, and that way you're always updated with our latest videos. Okay, so to do this tutorial, the materials that we're going to need is, of course, going to be the laser machine like this one here. We're going to need a wood sheet, so probably you could use MDF, or we actually used a little plywood. You're going to need a sketch pad, like one of these sort of little crafty ones. Depending on the type of wood that you used, you may want to use a stain, or just to colour it in or anything like that, or you could actually use some wood paint for doing the inlay, and a paintbrush just to paint it in, and whatever software that you'd like to be able to use to draw up to the design. And today we used CorelDraw. So they're all the tools that we're going to need for this one. You want to make sure that you stay to the end, because you just want to see how this here turns into a nice little wedding guest book, and you really want to be able to see this, so just watch to the end. All right, thank you. Okay guys, so we finally finished the book, and there it is there. So it's a nice little wedding guest book. They open it up and you can sign and do all that. Nice little wood grain there like that on the back. You could probably put something on the back if you wanted to, but we just made ours nice and simple like that. So there you go. I think it turned out pretty amazing. So yeah, you guys should give it a go. So if you like this video, make sure you do like it. Please comment down below if you've got any other ideas or anything that you'd like to add to it, or any questions or anything like that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell icon down there just to make sure that you get notified of our next videos, because we've got a few more coming up just like this. So, alright, catch you later. Thank you.